not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly, or you can call me Crown, whatever works for you. So guys, today's video is a wig install, and I'm super excited about this because y'all, this hair looks like my natural hair, but I straightened it. And when I tell you this hair straight outside of the packaging just went on my head, I didn't pluck this, I didn't do nothing, and y'all see I ain't got no baby hairs. That's how you know this wig is a fire, okay? Shout outs to Xrsbeauty for sponsoring this video. If you want to see how I achieved this effortless, laid and slayed Black Barbie kind of vibe hair, then definitely keep on watching, and I promise you, you're gonna be just as surprised as I was that I didn't have to do any work besides cut the little lace off, and I'm good to go. Let's jump straight into the video. Be sure to hit that like button, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, I'm super excited about today's wig. This unit was sent over to me by Xrsbeauty. They did send over to me their new and improved clear lace clean hairline wig. I hope I said that together and just correct, but all the information will be in the description box below. So this wig, guys, comes with a clear lace versus a transparent lace, and I have two samples to show you what clear lace looks like and also what transparent lace looks like. This is transparent lace. That is typically what comes on most wigs if it's not an HD wig. That's a transparent lace. She's very much there. You can see her and it doesn't blend well into the skin. This is the clear lace. As you can see, she is melted. She is literally so melted, and there's no product on my hand. Like, no product. Wow, I really like the clear lace because it looks so good. There's no white cast or anything, so I'm definitely loving that. And this is our unit. It is a kinky straight, which I'm loving, will give us that natural effect. And with the clear lace, it'll definitely blend well into the skin. What I'm excited about is this clean hairline that they created. It's pre-plucked. Well, it's better than a pre-plucked unit because pre-plucked, usually you still have to do work. It is plucked way more than a pre-plucked unit. The knots are bleached. Like, everything about the unit is just like together. You literally just have to put it on. This is the inside. As you can see, the knots are bleached. You have your typical combs and your elastic band. But look at the hairline, guys. The hairline is so nice. You can literally take this out and put it on. Let me just try her on so y'all can see. Wow. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? What lace? What lace? Look at the hairline. I have to do nothing besides cut the excess lace off and spray her down. I'm not even going to put my foundation under this wig because it already blends so nice with my skin. I love this. Let's jump into the install now that that is out of the way. And also, guys, they are having a Black Friday sale. I will write all the details on the screen, and it will also be in the description box. Guys, this hairline is amazing. I haven't hot combed the hair or anything. Do y'all see this? This looks so good. It looks so good. I'm going to hot comb the front, and as y'all seen, I straightened it for the most part already. So I'm trying to decide if I want a center part or a side part. I'm a side part girl, so I think we're gonna do a side part.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So guys, this is the finished results, and I'm loving this hair. The quality of the hair is top tier, like it's butter soft. Look at this. My hand is just running through. There are literally no snags. Wow. It's like sand. Wow. It's really just flowing. I really like the quality of this hair. It flat ironed really well. All I did was add a little heat protectant and it straightened out really well. It is a kinky straight, so hence the texture. I love it. It literally looks like it's my hair and I got it straightened. I mean, if I had hair, but this is what it's giving. I love it. The lace is beautiful. It melts so well into the skin. There's no baby hair action going on. I did none of that on either side, and it looks so good. Like, I really love this hair. It was easy to install. Like, it was super easy because I didn't have to do anything. Y'all see me take the hair out of the box and put it on my head, right? Like, I didn't pluck this. I didn't have to take a tweezer. I didn't have to take anything at all besides just to put it on my head. And I did apply this unit with my Ebon Wonderlace spray. I used the red and the yellow can. That's all I used. Now I wish I had glued it because I want to keep this on for a few days. I'm going to definitely be reinstalling this hair. I really love it. If you love this hair as well, definitely check out the description box below. They are having a big Black Friday blowout sale, and the dates and the links will be in the description box. Let me know your thoughts on this hair below, guys. All the links will be listed. Be sure to check out the description box. Shout outs to Xrsbeauty for sponsoring this video. This wig is truly one to get. Y'all, I'm telling you, this wig, amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.